Hey crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana and I am back with another video today. So today's video, it's kind of an unboxing, I guess I should say. I just recently ordered my journal, so I'm ready to start my book journal. I know I'm a month late, but at least I'm getting it started. That's all that matters, right? So I just received it. It really came in today. It came in this cute box. I might just put it back in here just so it stays nice, and it kind of has like a constellation design on the box, really cute. So it's a dot grid journal, and it's 160 GSM ultra thick bleed proof paper, which is what I needed because in my last one there was a lot of bleeding and I had to adhere 2 pages back to back, and it didn't really look that cute, but I'm still learning. And this is 200 numbered dot grid pages. So the company, I believe, is Vivid Scribbles. I'll go ahead and link this in the description if you want to check it out, if it's something that you like or that you want to order. Yeah, so you can go check it out yourself and order yourself one. So this is my first time opening it. Ooh, get a card here and a thank you. That's pretty. So this journal comes with stickers. Now, I'm not sure if I'll be using these type of stickers in my journal. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I could use the stars and the gold foiling. This seems to me more like a planner kind of thing, but it's really cute. I can use it to do some embellishing or something. Maybe I make a list or something. I don't know. I do have a planner that I actually use, so maybe I could use it for that. Okay, so here is the box. Comes with this pretty paper. I'll go ahead and add these stickers to this and a thank you card. Move this box over here. And I love this paper. I might just keep it. Just, you know, it's just cute. It's got a lot of, what are these, like gems? Not gems. What are they called? My daughter has a bunch of these. I forget what it's called. Crystals? Yeah. Had a brain fart there. Anyway, it comes like this, and look how beautiful this is. Okay, so I have not been, well, this is probably what, my 3rd year, and I don't think I don't think I have the skills acquired to buy myself an Archer and Olive. I know those are a little bit more pricey, but look, for the price, I think it is pretty close to what they look like. It's got this little band here to keep it closed. It's got this little pen to put your pen in, pen holder. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like not a canvas. It's just very soft, and I love the gold on it. I think that's what made me want to order this beautiful journal. And I love purple. Excuse me. Purple's not a color that's typically liked, but I absolutely love it. It's like a pretty plum. I don't know. It's really pretty, and I love the gold on it and the moon, and it's got this little foliage on it with little stars. I think it's just so pretty. Okay, so this is what the front looks like, and it says this journal belongs to. I'll be writing my name on there, and then here comes the first couple pages intro. Comes with a key and your index. I'm not sure if I'll be using much of that. Well, I guess I could once I figured out what I'm gonna use this for. So this gives you 1 key page, 1, 2, 3 pages of index. And then it goes ahead and starts you off with your first entry. And I love the dots on here. And another reason why I like this journal also is because you can lay it flat and the binding doesn't mess up. In my last journal, the binding detached from here because I was using it to flatten out and, you know, do my things on, and it just broke. And so I wanted something that was a little bit more practical for me to use. So yeah, the paper is nice and thick. I like that it's And I'll be able to stamp on this, use my alcohol markers, and there won't be any bleeding. And it does give you a couple of bookmarks. They give you 3, so that's great. I know a lot of people add charms at the end of these. These are cute too, to add, you know, to personalize it as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing that, but it's nice because I like to have one for where I'm at, and then another one where I'm jotting down what I'm reading, like the index, like the list of books that you're reading, and then, you know, the alphabet challenge or whatever. So you have 3 places to mark yourself. So that's good. I like that. And then there's 200 of these pages, which is plenty of room for me to grow in. And the back also has a pen test. I love that because you know how when you're trying to find out what color you want, like a swatch of markers and stuff, you can do your pens right here. It gives you 1, 2 pages, and then here's these pages for whatever you want to use it for. And then here's a pocket where you can add, I could add my stickers to that. And if you want, this is their website. It's vividscribbles.com if you'd like to check them out. Like I said, I'll try to put their information in the description box. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. All right, this is all for today, guys. I can't wait to get started and show you the start of my new book journal. And this will be my book journal for 2025. All right, I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye, guys.